welcome to another video. In this video we are going to target the obstacle 41041 escape. So let's see what the problem statement is. Input the value click into the text box. So basically whenever we write curly brackets click and end brackets, it becomes an automatic statement in case of TOSCA. So if we want to enter in this particular way, how would we do that? Let's take a look at that. So I'll go to my modules. I'll first scan this. Think about it, how you'll do it, and I'm going to explain that in a minute. So I'll click on scan. I will just capture this value. All we have to pass is click. So this is showing as not recognizable. So let me take a look at this. I can put a wildcard here. That should solve this problem. Okay, so we are good here. I will just rename this to the obstacle number. So obstacle 41041, and I'll save this. In case you are new to the series, I have all the different obstacles being covered as part of different videos, so do take a look at the playlist. I'll just drag and drop this to the test case, and I will rename this. Okay, give me just 1 second. I will just copy the name from here and I'll put it in the test case. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to enter click. So see, if I mention click like this to pass, it will recognize it as a syntax and it will comment like this. So it is going to perform a click operation. However, I want to print this in the text box. So what you can do is, one thing if you would have noticed, you select this particular option, you right click, and you will get two options: translate value and escape value. So here escape value function is going to come into picture. What happens with escape value is, whenever you will have some syntax or statements like this, but you want to pass it as a value, at that point in time you click on this. Okay, what happens with this is it will put curly brackets. Okay, and now it will not be recognized as a statement and it will print as it is. Okay, so let me just cross check. They want like this. Okay, now it is going to print this particular statement. So let's run this and see if it works. So whenever you come across a condition like this, you can just use curly brackets. It is a good idea to use the escape value, so TOSCA automatically fills in the asterisk, and see, we were able to successfully print click here. That's how you take care of this kind of automation problem. Do follow along. I'm going to make videos on the other obstacles as well, and in case you like this content, do like, share and subscribe. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.